Okay, right now I'm going to add the user to the users table in the tutor database. So for that, the I'm going to insert information to the users, the email and the password. Then I'm going to see if their information has been successfully inserted or not. So for that, let's just go in here. So we have our history and the user table. So to insert information to the user, what you can do, insert into users. After that, we can specify the field, which is the email and the, what was that again? The password. Password. Okay. Now the values should be, I suppose, if the email is a varchar, so I have to specify in a double quote. So for that, like suppose abc@gmail.com. After that, I can give like hello, the pass for the password. Enter. Now to see, select dot from the users. See, my information is inserted, and I didn't specify the ID value. It also increment one. So if I add another information in here, so that in that case the ID will be two, and the information will be down there. So that's how you're going to insert the information in the user table.